de, of, de. La, the, feminine, la. El, the, masculine, el. Que, that, que. Notice here that the U is silent. Que, que. En, in, on, at, en. Y, and, y. A, at, to, a. Ser, to be, ser. This is the most important Spanish verb and one that you're going to learn with me in other videos. Estar, to be, estar. Yes, there are two verbs in Spanish that mean to be, ser and estar. Decir, to say, to tell, decir. Poder, to be able to, can, poder. Un, a, masculine, un. Por, for, through. These little words are called prepositions. A, en, por. They often have quite a few more meanings than the ones I'm giving you here, but these are the main ones. So, por, for, through, por. With my free Spanish mini course, you can learn dozens of words in minutes. Play my free course at querapido.com/free. That's my website. Con, with, con. No, no, not, no. Una, a, feminine, una. Su, his, her, their, su. This word is not the easiest to use. If you want to know more about it, let me know in the comments. Para, for, para. Ir, to go, ir. This is a terribly irregular verb. Ir, ir. Ver, to see, ver. Lo, it, lo. Como, how, como. Más, more, más. O, o. Pero, but, pero. To get more videos like these, subscribe to this channel. I've got many more videos coming. Muy, very, muy. As you can see, these words are very, very common. They come up all the time and they're going to help you build tons of sentences. Le, to him, to her, le. Saber, to know, saber. Me, to me, me. Don't be tempted to say me. It's me, me. Quite different from English. Me. Si, if, si. Sin, without, sin. Sobre, on, over, sobre. Este, this, masculine, este. Ya, already, ya. Entre, between, entre. Cuando, when, cuando. Todo, every, todo. This word also has a feminine form, toda, and the plurals, todos, todas. So we've got four, todo, toda, todos, todas, and they all mean every in English, todo. Esta, this, feminine, esta. Tener, to have, tener. Another irregular verb and a very frequent one, tener. Alguno, some, alguno. Also with the feminine and plural forms. Alguno, alguna, algunos, algunas. Dos, two, dos. Number two, dos, dos. También, also, también. Primero, first, primero. Había, there was, there were, había. Mucho, much, a lot, mucho. Also with feminine and plural forms. Mucho, mucha, muchos, muchas. Much, a lot in English, but mucho, mucha, muchos, muchas. Dar, to give. Another irregular verb. Dar, dar. El año, the year. El año. Hasta, until, up to. Hasta. Desde, from, desde. Remember that the final E is never silent in Spanish. Desde, desde. You should never drop that final E. Desde. Llegar, to arrive, llegar. Mi, my, mi. Porque, because, porque. Que, what, que. Notice the silent U, que, que. Solo, only, alone, solo. Pasar, to happen, to pass, pasar. Yo, I, yo. I, there is, there are, I. We just saw había, there was, there were, and we have here I había, I había. Very frequent words. You'll use them all the time. Hacer, to do, to make. Hacer, another irregular verb. Entonces, then, entonces. Todos, everyone, todos. Also with a feminine form. Todas, todos, todas. Everyone in English. Así, so, this way. Así. Nos, to us. Nos. And that is both masculine and feminine. Nos, whether it refers to nosotros or nosotras. Nos, nos. Ni, neither. Ni. Nada, nothing, nada. You can practice these words with my free Spanish mini course at querapido.com/free. Nosotros, us, nosotros. And the feminine form is nosotras. Nosotros, nosotras. Él, he, él. Uno, one, uno. Donde, where, donde. Bien, well, bien. El tiempo, the weather, the time. El tiempo. Mismo, same, mismo. Ese, that, masculine. Ese. Ahora, now, ahora. Notice the silent H. Ahora, ahora. Cada, each, cada. And that's both masculine and feminine. Cada, cada. Contra, against, contra. La vida, the life, la vida. Otro, another. Otro, also with feminine and plural forms. Otro, otra, otros, otras. Otro, otra, otros, otras. Después, later, después. Te, to you, te. Vosotros, you plural, and the feminine is vosotras, vosotros, vosotras. Aunque, although, aunque. Notice the silent U, aunque, aunque. Poner, to put, poner, another irregular verb. Notice that many of the verbs in this list of 100 most common Spanish words, many of the verbs here are irregular. The most common verbs in every language are often irregular. It's the same in English. Tan, so, tan. Durante, during, durante. Siempre, always, siempre. El día, the day, el día. Notice that el día is masculine, although it ends in a. El día, el día. Ella, she, ella. Tres, three, tres. So now we have numbers uno, dos, tres. 1, 2, 3, uno, dos, tres. Sí, yes, sí. Before we saw SI without the written accent, sí, meaning if. And now we have SI with the written accent, and that is yes. Grande, big, large, grande. Again, remember not to drop the final E. The final E is never silent in Spanish. Grande, grande. El país, the country, el país. Menos, less, menos. El mundo, the world, el mundo. Antes, before, antes. We saw después, later, and now we have antes, before. Poco, few, little, poco, with the masculine, feminine, and plural forms. Poco, poca, pocos, pocas. Poco, poca, pocos, pocas. Ellos, they, masculine. The feminine form is ellas. Ellos, ellas. Tú, you, singular. Tú, both masculine and feminine. Tú, tú. The plural is vosotros, and the feminine vosotras. So we have tú, vosotros, and vosotras for you in English. Creer, to believe, creer. Nuevo, new, nuevo. Seguir, to follow, seguir. Notice the silent U, seguir, seguir. To learn another 100 essential words in a flash, play this other video.